everybody, it's Becky. Welcome back to my channel. I have another spring and summer clothing haul for you guys. This time, this haul is for my teenage daughter who just turned 15. A little bit ago, I shared with you what I picked up for my 9-year-old for spring and summer, at least to kind of get her started. So I have a couple things to share with you that we got for our teenage daughter. I haven't shared a clothing haul video for her, I think, since she was 12 or 13, because usually we can't find enough stuff that she likes / that's appropriate all at once to have an actual haul. It's like one thing here and one thing there. So this is like the first time I've ever had a significant amount of things at one time to share with you guys, because like I talked about in my 9-year-old's clothing haul, it is really, really hard to find, first of all, clothes that are appropriate, things that are not trashy or immodest, which pretty much every teenager's outfit like selection is. Everything is super short shorts with big rips in them, or inappropriate, I think, inappropriate shirts that show too much, or crop tops, which I'm not about crop tops on anybody, skinny, fat, young, old, like just no. Nobody wants to see your stomach, put it away. So we have a really hard time finding clothes for her that meet those kind of modesty requirements, at least in our opinion, and then also things that she likes and also things that fit. She's 15, but she is built like a woman. Like she's cute. Like I at 15, I was like fat and dumpy and gross, and she's tall and thin, and I don't want to say anything else and embarrass her, but the girl's built pretty good. So it's hard sometimes to find clothes that fit her because she does have a woman's shape, but she still wants to be cute and trendy and like a teenager, so that's kind of a challenge. So anyway, so we have quite a few things for her. We basically had to start over and find new places to shop for her because all the places that we usually found things, we were not finding things for her. So pretty much everything, I think, actually everything, except for one thing, came from Rue 21, which you have to be really careful with Rue 21 stuff because there is a lot of, like, I think, for lack of a better word, skanky clothes in that store. They're either really, really tiny, really, really short with big rips and things. So it's kind of hit or miss. We did find quite a few things. So actually, and you'll notice a lot of these things are very like 70s, 80s inspired, which seems to be the trend. I know scrunchies are back. She's not into scrunchies, but like a lot of the stripe patterns and some of the ringer tees, those are back in. So that's kind of a 70s or 80s trend. So it's kind of funny. But anyway, this is just a plain striped t-shirt. It is from Rue 21, like I said. Just a cute little basic shirt that she can wear with white shorts, denim shorts, whatever. So she liked that, and we actually got that on clearance for $5. I don't really know why it was on clearance considering spring and summer are coming, but I'm not going to complain about it. That one was on clearance, and so was this one, which is long sleeve. So this is more of a kind of early spring, fall, or winter shirt. But again, $5, I'm not going to complain. Just a long sleeved shirt with the stripes, and it's got like a ribbing going down, so it's really flattering. It's got the contrasting neckline. So that's really cute and was super cheap, so I was happy about that. Also on clearance, this is definitely a fall or winter sweater, but it's also good for spring just because it is a kind of more open knit material and it is a cold shoulder. I don't have a problem with cold shoulder. I'm just not a big fan of, not a huge fan of the shirts that don't have straps, even though I do have one to show you that does not have straps. I'm not in love with it, but it fits her okay. It fits her modestly. It's not too low, so we'll get to that in a minute. But anyway, she really likes things that are cold shoulder. So this is a cold shoulder sweater, long sleeves, and it's got this cute little kind of crisscross detail in the front, but you can see it's a really open knit. Let me stick my hand behind it to show you. So you can kind of see it is a wider knit, so it is definitely more breathable, not super duper warm, so she could definitely wear this in early spring. So pick that up. Now, actually she's got two shirts that don't have sleeves. Well, this has sleeves, but it's got a really big neckline. Anyway, this looks really cute on her. I don't have a problem with this either. It's a really cute little flowy top, really super soft material with the flowers, and it's got like this ruching here at the top. I don't know if you can see it. So it is a little bit like more figure flattering, so it's kind of stretchy. And it has the really wide neckline with these cute little sleeves, really tiny little sleeves, but they're really cute. She liked that, so we picked that up. I actually really like that one a lot. This one's not my favorite, but she liked it, and it does look cute on her. I'm not a fan of the color or the neckline. This one is off the shoulder, but it does have sleeves, and it's not too terribly low, so I don't mind. And it's not too short. It hits her right in the right spot, especially when she's got on her high-rise jeans. There's no stomach showing, which is a definite rule of mine. So she liked this. It's got like this little kind of Renaissance almost like drawstring in the front, which is cute. And then this long bell sleeve, which is super pretty and flowy with this little detail right here. It's got like these little cutouts right here. So very 70s kind of in the sleeve area. But she really likes it, and she actually wore it to church today and got a couple compliments on that. So that's really cute. It looks cute on her. I wouldn't have chosen it, but it does look good on her. And then what else did we get? That came from Kohl's. Okay, wait, I do have one thing from Kohl's, but hang on. This is also from Rue 21, just a sporty little t-shirt, but it's not really a t-shirt material. It's like this kind of buttery material that they're making a lot of t-shirts out of now. Just red, it's got a hoodie on it with the white striping on the sleeve. She really liked this, and it looks really cute on her, and it looks really cute with jean shorts, so she got that. Also, gotta have some Disney shirts. She was like, I'm thinking about, I could wear this to Disney, so she picked out this Hakuna Matata, No Worries t-shirt, which is very 70s to me with like this stripy kind of material going across the middle. It is a little bit short, but again, with high-rise or mid-rise jeans or shorts, it's not too short, and it's got like a big sleeve, so really comfy and kind of oversized. She really liked that. And then another Disney shirt that she picked out is this gray t-shirt. Again, kind of oversized, but that's sort of the way it's supposed to be. And again, with the rainbow, and this one has stitch on it, so she really liked that one. So that is everything from Rue 21. This actually came from and she's actually worn it, so it's kind of wrinkled because I got it out of the laundry to share with you guys. But we picked this up at, it's like a store kind of like TJ Maxx where they have clothes kind of just thrown in there and you kind of have to dig. It's the Rebellious one is the brand. I don't know if that means anything to anybody. But a white striped shirt with black contrasting neckline and sleeves with this super cute little French bulldog, the Eiffel Tower, and the little heart. I love this. It looks super cute on her. It's a really soft material and really flattering, so she's actually worn that a few times, so she really likes that. And then one more thing we did actually pick up last night at Kohl's. They had quite a few of these in different colors. This is the Pink Republic brand. Again, kind of this flowy t-shirt material, which is so popular right now. And again, with stripes and the contrasting neckline and sleeve. That is very trendy right now. It's pretty much everywhere, and she likes stripes. So it's like so many things she has have stripes on them, but that's okay. Just super comfortable and cute. Would look good with white shorts or denim shorts. So really cute, and I really like that one. So that is everything we have picked up for her to kind of get her started with spring and summer. All of her shorts from last year still fit her, so she's good with shorts. Maybe get her a couple of extra pairs if we need to for Disney. But other than that, this is kind of going to get her started for spring and summer. And like I said, I'm sorry I haven't shared with you guys any kind of teenager clothing haul in a long time, but we have just had a really hard time finding clothes for both girls, but my oldest especially, finding clothes that she likes, that fit her, that are appropriate. You know, that's kind of a hard thing. It's not easy to shop for them for clothes, but she's really happy with everything. So I hope you enjoyed this video and it gives you a little breath of spring fresh air in your day. Here it is snowing right now outside, and I'm talking about spring and summer, but spring is right around the corner. These things will be able to be worn out without a coat very, very soon. I know, I hope. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure if you did, you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and follow me over on Instagram. I'm over there quite a bit posting and chatting with you guys. So if you want to follow me over there, it is Aplacetonest Becky, and I would love to have you over there as part of my Instagram family. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end of this video. If you want to see 2 of my older videos, you can click the links right here. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, if you haven't already, and you definitely should, you can click right here. I upload every single week. I have some links in the description box for some of my favorite stores and products, as well as my P.O. Box address. Check out those links if you're interested in those, and I will see you guys in the next video.